What you're looking at is a 1986 topographical map of the Fenimore landfill area. What's great is that I can click on 2007 and get a satellite image, and you can see that this stream runs 500 yards off of Mountain Road behind these homes right here, and it stays that distance all the way past as it crosses the entranceway to Fenimore landfill in this 1986 topographical image. But if you look at the satellite image from 2007, that's this stream right here, and it goes up here. This stream right here, which comes down and feeds into the Leachit Pond. The current stream that they show now goes along here, right behind here. This is the stream that's on the topographic map, and this is 2007 image you're looking at now. So I want you to take a good look at that. Again, we'll look at the 1986 topographical map, and you'll see the stream right through here. Right through here. See, I didn't move my cursor. Boom. Right through here. Same line. Same line. So that is another stream that goes beneath whatever has been dumped in this area when rain comes down heavy. That's the path it takes at the Fenimore landfill.